This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jumper cables with another car. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Confirm that both car batteries are 12 volts. Carefully inspect your jumper cables for any damage, like frayed wires, and always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. This preparation is crucial for a safe jump start. Now let's connect the cables. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the last black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block of the dead car, ensuring it's away from the battery itself. This grounding step is vital. With the cables connected, it's time to start the good car. Let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge the dead battery. After this period, attempt to start the dead car. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes and try again. Remember, do not crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time to avoid overheating the starter. Patience is key here. Once the dead car starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal surface of the now started car. Next, disconnect the black clamp from the negative terminal of the good battery. Then, remove the red clamp from the positive terminal of the good battery. Finally, disconnect the red clamp from the positive terminal of the now started car. This prevents sparks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.